So I'll use the variable s to assign the usual speed of this train. Now we're told that it's traveled at 1/3 of that. And let's say the usual time for it to arrive at this destination is t. In this case, it will reach there 30 minutes after, so t plus 30. And that distance is whatever the distance is between the destination. And so our base case here is that distance is traveled at the usual speed times the scheduled time. So those are my two equations, and I can equate them. D is s times t, and see what simplification happens. If you look at this, the s part, or the speed of the train, drops. And if I multiply this by 3, you get 3t is t plus 30. So we can figure out what the scheduled time is, which is 15 minutes. So that's how much it takes normally to get to its destination. So we'll set that aside and then look at this other scenario, which is that if it traveled at its usual speed for 5 minutes, and if the speed is s, that distance it would cover would be speed times the time, so 5s. And let's say the speed here is in kilometer per minute, so we can keep the units correct. So this 5 minutes, then it waits for 4 minutes. That means a total of 9 minutes has elapsed. Now our goal is to get there at scheduled time, which we know is the total is 15. So that means it has to travel the remaining journey in 6 minutes. And the question is, what's that new speed? So if I call that s new, so speed times time, that would be this remaining distance here. Note here, it's already traveled 5s, so that remaining distance would be d minus 5s. Yeah, I guess my 5 and s can look the same. So that's our scenario. So I need to relate this to s somehow. If we go back here, t is 15, so it's 15s. I can plug that in here, and I get 10s, which means the new speed is 10s over 6, or 5/3 of the usual speed. And the question is, what percentage must it be increased? So we're looking for percentage increase. So the new speed is 5/3 s minus the original over s. That's the percent increment it needs to be. That's 2/3. The s will drop out, and 2/3 as a percentage is 66 2/3%, which is closest to 67, choice A.